Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. You can see brother, it has been raining for last 7 or 8 days. The rain does not stop, so the life of the farmer has affected. You can see brother, 70% of people live in village. The life of the farmer has affected. They have not even what will they eat at night or day. We have also heard the news Jaunia, that is in Bihar. A large number of houses have been drawn in the river Ganga. When we hear this news, we feel regret to hear this news. You can see brother, it has been raining also here in my village.